What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? We are breaking some Prizm. Here we go. Fernino. What did I put? Did I spell it wrong? Where you at? For Frino. Oh. Did I forget the N? Is that what I forgot? Oh, yeah. There. Sorry. You're welcome. When I'm typing, sometimes my fingers just go a little too fast or skip a little. I do that a lot. I know who it goes to at least. Thank you, Bob. Bobby, how you been? We got one spot left in the mini. Spot number 8. I'll run that if it fails after this break. Don't feel bad. It's going to be almost 4 years until boy still can't say my name correctly. What burger? I just ain't saying burger. It sounds so much better than saying burger.
Burger so we can have his cards.
Yeah. Tortona. Sometimes I know how your name is. Some people it's pronounced, and on purpose I'll say it a certain way. That's a sign of love. We got J.K. Dobbins. I'm going to start off with nice one right there. A Denzel Mims. We got a Minka Fitzpatrick red. AJ Espinoza. A Josh Allen. David Masai. Hype. DJ Moore. A T. Higgins. See, we got that black and white little variation. They're pretty cool looking. Tortona, I'm going to take all your damn shoes. If you, we got a Taysom Hill out of 79 for the Who Dat. Who got the Saints? Dustin, C.J. Henderson, Shaquille Barrett, Logan Wilson, a Tom Brady, Harrison Smith, Jeremy Chin. Had a hell of a game. We got here Charles Woodson. How about a Justin Herbert for the Chargers? That's some money right there, I would think, huh? There you go, Kobe. Zeke and Crochet. Like I said, if any cards are pulled, if anybody wants anything graded, let me know so I can pull it. Anybody wants the last spot in the mini? Top 4. I have to post one more like that. It's gonna break tonight or tomorrow, early, 1 or 2. Okay, other half. We still have no auto yet. It must be coming. Julio, damn playmakers. Antonio Gandy Golden. Joe Mixon, purple. There's a Jalen Hurts, Eagles. DeAndre Swift, Brandon Ayuk. Jordan Brooks, Jordan Brooks, auto. Seattle just. You want the last one, Carlo? You had that nice card in the last break. All right, I'll run it after this. Let me send over. Pull me a Burrow base. I pulled the Burrow last week. Jake Fromm. We got a Keelan Doss blue. Duggar. Josh Allen. Nice Tom Brady fireworks. Joshua Kelly. We got a green. What the hell is a green out of? I'm about to find out. Jerry Rice. A Chase Young. What's green out of? Damn tight end. Jack Doyle. Out of 5. Hello, green. Why couldn't it be a rookie? Or at least a better vet. Indy on fire in these breaks. Adam. 1 of 5. I was waiting for it to be a Noel. Cam Newton, Patriots. Christian Fulton. Bruce, you're a little late. We're going to have another one posted as soon as I run that one. Bruce, do you want it in the next mini? Do you want spot 8 in the next mini? I know you got to go back to work. I can post it. When I post it, I'll give you spot 8 in the next one since you got to go back to work. Keep them truck drivers happy. Okay, next one. We got our first green of the year. Is anybody going out to any particular players or just a team or any rainbows? Which I'm gonna say anybody's going after a rainbow, good luck. 40, is it 42 or 44 different variations? That's at least $1,000 rainbow minimum. Best luck is pulled up. Go 101. I'll have to start printing out the list. Mims and Jaceki. Some players you probably can get pretty cheap. Others it's just going to be an arm and a leg. Like anybody's going after any of the big guys. Whew. God bless you.
The Broncos and the Packers switched?
No.
Packers and Vikings.
The what?
Broncos and Vikings.
No. No, Minnesota and whatever. Ooh, hello. Now we got an autograph. Jordan Love. Green Bay. Dustin. That's a good auto. We got a red Akuta Matata for Detroit out of 50. There's a P-Line. There's a Jalen Legard. There's a KJ Hamler. There's Alan Lazard and Henry Ruggs. Yes, sir. I thought we pulled the Love last time, Adam. Pull the Jordan. We got Winfield out of 79. We got Earl Thomas, Thaddeus Moss. We got Anthony Gordon, Watkins. Well, if you're going for the rainbow, the Jack Doyle, you have the out of 5 and you got the out of 35. I mean, what's the odds of getting that, of that dude? You figured it out yet? It says in the comments.
Oh, yeah, we're
Just scroll down.
put stacks in. Eddie Wells, 49ers players.
It's Chris Ringer and Jay Berger that traded. Everybody else is the same. I mean, that Doyle rainbow is coming in strong in one break, let me tell you. Adam. It's a lot of course to top load in these breaks. Or these. Who are you looking for?
Eddie Wells.
If he's not out and not right there, then look in the stacks up there. The right stack. Alright. There's a Mahomes. Whoever Jason Huntley is. There's a variation of Rieger. Antonio Gibson. Hunter Renfrow blue. Malcolm Davis. Zeke. Justin Jefferson base. Somebody wanted one. I don't know. Darius Leonard. A variation of Mean Joe Green lockdown. Captain Morgan. We got a pink Shaquille Griffin out of 15. Well, we can pull the weirdest of the vets for the low numbers. That's going strong. Tampa Bay. Benedito. Jerry Jeudy. Montez Sweat. Tyler Papa Droplet Lockett. Mark Andrews. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Nice. DJ Moore. Antonio Gandy Golden. Thank you, Carlo. I'll run that and assume. What you looking for?
I'm just getting this guy's cards together. Good.
What are you looking for?
Carlo Pacino.
No, bro. We've only pulled one of those variations. None of the true base yet. This box had a Justin Jefferson. Had a lot of good names in it. Good auto. It's a solid box, that's for sure. Okay. I have not pulled a 2 not one time tonight yet, though. I mean, it's box number 6. Him and he's the only one I have not pulled yet. I pulled. Two is not in this, only a hobby. That's definitely not true. Thanks, Mike. Okay. Henry Ruggs, Raiders. Pretty damn sweet. Who got him? Tortona, nice one. Cam Akers, a red Miles Jack out of 50 Jaguars, a Michael Pittman, AK, a DJ Dallas, Texans, a Keyshawn Vaughn variation, Pickney, rookie Jeff Gladney, blue, Jalen Johnson, Rogers, AJ Dillon, Cam Akers, Tre'Davious White, Antoine Winfield, Captain Morgan, purple, out of 35, J.K. Dobbins, Dexter Lawrence, and Riley Ane. I said tomorrow we have more coming in, so we'll have more of this. So. Padres paid up. Okay, here we go. We haven't got the autograph yet. J. Smith, Lamar Jackson. We got Marvin Jones blue. Alvin Kamara, Burrow. There he is. Hot diggity dog, my man. Adam. Terrell Lewis for the Rammies. Should have been Cam Akers or Van Jefferson. That would have been better. Derek Brown. We got DJ Dallas, Seattle, red. Isaiah Simmons. How about Burrow, Emergent. and a Devin Duvernay. Rondé Barber, good old Danucci. You suck, Danucci. Nick Bosa, Blacklock, Henry Grant, Big Ben, and Chasson. You figured out that trade?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm a little jealous of we haven't pulled no Tua in 6 boxes. The only rookie quarterback we have not pulled yet. No Tua.
No Tua?
6 boxes.
Really?
He's the only quarterback we didn't pull. So we had an emergent Burrow, we had a base Burrow, we had a Shaquille Barrett out of 35. No, out of 15, right? Out of 15, out of 5 Jack Doyle, and a base Herbert. The autographs was Terrell Lewis, Jordan Love, and Jordan Brooks.
Jordan Love?
Huh? Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 Cajun Bucks. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Benedito. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Eddie Wells and Dustin. You going to pick your gift? Dustin and Eddie. Congrats, everybody. That is the break. Cajun up.